good evening. Welcome to this very special live broadcast. This is a very special day, and I will be telling you in a couple of seconds why this is so. Right now, we're coming to you live from our Z5 Premium Facebook and YouTube pages, also the Z5 Premium website platform. Today is special because a couple of days back, you must have seen the trailer launch of Tesh. It's a very special film and web series. This is happening for the first time, and it's a Z5 initiative where we have an OTT project that is releasing both as a film and a web series. So today we're all here for a very special music launch of Tesh. Tesh, as you know, means rage या गुस्सा. पर यहाँ पे अभी हमारे बीच कोई तैश में ना जाए, इसके लिए हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके. I'm going to be joined by the director, the star cast, and the musicians, of course, who made the music, made the songs of Tesh. So before I welcome all of them, I want to welcome all of you. Thank you for joining in. 29th October is when Tesh releases in 190 plus countries. Now, Z5, as you know, is a platform that has the largest library of original content with 100 plus series and films across languages. और आज हम इकट्ठे हुए हैं for the music launch of Tesh. अब कहते हैं ना, without further ado, I must invite. I'm going to start with the director, and I want everyone to quickly switch on the camera so you'll know that it's a full house today. Bijoy Nambiar, the director of Tesh. We have Kriti Kharbanda, Pulkit Samrat, Jim Saab, Sanjeeda, and Harshvardhan Rane. Thank you, guys. Lovely seeing all of you.
Thank you.
Hi, Stuti.
Hey.
क्या बात है. So this is.
Hi, everyone.
I am so glad we're able to do this. Technology always comes to our rescue. So irrespective of how this year is turning out to be, Pulkit, you're again in the gym. I always see you in the gym.
मैं जान के बैठता हूँ ताकि लोग बोले पूरा टाइम वर्कआउट करता है बेचारा.
So बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, बहुत सारे गाने सुनने हैं, इसलिए I'm not going to waste any more time. सबसे पहले तो my first question to Bijoy before I invite our very special musicians today on this live broadcast. Bijoy, there is always such a special connection that your films have with music. It's intertwined. It helps the story move forward, helps the narrative move forward. इसके लिए आपने क्या special सोचा?
Before I even jump into that, I just want to give a small shout out to Harsh, who's joining us for the promotion for the first time today.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Hi.
अरे
Hi, everyone.
तू आ गया bro.
Bye, कैसे?
He made it. He made it.
Should I wear a mask?
No. I've just been
I'm
recovering.
very happy to see you smiling and see you joining us, Harsh. Thank you so
Very
much.
nice to see you, Stuti. You're
I'm really
sounding
happy
so
that we
good.
have a full house and we have Harsh joining us. The rest of the cast, we were genuinely missing him in all the earlier promotional interviews that we did. So thanks, Harsh, for joining. And
Thank you,
to all.
sir. Thank you, Stuti. So nice to see everyone. Arman, Sanjeeda, Kriti,
What's up, Harsh?
Pulkit bhai. Yes, Jim.
I think music is very integral to my storytelling. I need music when I write. I need music when I'm making films, when I'm shooting, and I definitely need music when I'm editing and putting it together. So it's very integral to my storytelling, and I enjoy making music for my films. I just end up doing too much of it, so that's why I have to sometimes rein myself in.
But today we don't want to rein you in. In fact, we don't want to rein anyone in because music launch hai, and we're so honored that we have the ones who've created the music, who've composed the songs, who've sung it with us today. So quickly, I'm going to introduce each one of them. We're joining us today is Dhruv Vishwanath. We have Raghav Sachar, Govind, Prarthana, Prashant Pillai, Arman Khera, Lifafa, the band. We have Surikant Sahani, we have Bakshish, Sona Mahapatra, and of course, Pav Dharia. Hey guys.
Hey, Stuti.
Hi.
Eclectic.
किद्दां पाजी किद्दां
What's up, Arman? की हाल है? Yeah, that's
क्या हाल है
right.
पाजी
What's up, Arman?
Hola.
I,
So good to see you guys.
How's it going?
okay, once we're done with the highs and the hellos, I'm so glad. We I can't wait to dive into the music, talk about your favorite songs, talk about the whole process. But before that, हम एक बार trailer देख लें, क्या कहते हैं?
Uh-huh.
Boss, please.
तो
एक बार movie भी देख लेते हैं.
एक बार.
तैश है धड़कन, तैश जुनून है, तैश रगों में बना लहू है।
हेलो दुल्हा, हेलो दुल्हन।
Hi.
तुम दोनों भाग की शादी क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
Sunny is the brother that Rohan wished he'd had.
वो नहीं आएगी।
अरे बंदे, दिल से याद कर तो फोन किया वो खुद यहाँ आ जाए।
सब कुछ बदल गया जान, मैं अपने आप को समझा लिया। तुम किसी और थे।
मेरे नहीं आने का ख्याल तो काफी दुरुस्त था जनाब। Mr. Sunny Lalwani is quite the charmer.
Charming? I don't think he's such. अगर मुझे पता चला कि तुम में से कोई है, तो कल यहाँ पे शादी नहीं होगी।
मर जाता तू। मरा नहीं।
तुझे कोई आइडिया है वो कितना डेंजरस आदमी है?
He kills people for a living.
हम कब तक भागते रहेंगे? हमें कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
So we've seen the trailer of Tesh, and I want to inform all those who are joining us for this special live session that the Jukebox is live. So you can actually go and check out the amazing music that is already live. But Abhi, speaking to the makers, the creators, and those so closely associated with the project.
Sona is here.
So sweet.
Sona, over to you.
Hello. Can you hear me, guys?
Sona,
Yes,
what's
we can.
up?
Hi, Sona. Is Pulkit here?
Hi, Sona, what's up?
I wouldn't like to distract people with the deep connection I have with Pulkit. I made him a romantic hero with a female voice.
You see, that's why I love you so much.
Oh.
There are more reasons as well. I told Ram.
You can state them out separately. But here's what. I got to join Tesh pretty much 2 days ago. And Bijoy, so much of love you've always shared for music and musicians. We've had a very close relationship for so many years. And yet this is the first time that I'm singing in a project of yours. So makes me very excited. And doubly so because Govind and where he comes from, Thaikudam Bridge, there isn't a single interview I have spoken about when I have talked about how incredible their band is, and I'm truly a fan of Thaikudam Bridge. And I love for you guys because very few people know that I've grown up in South India, but the Carnatic style of music is so complex. The intonations are so different from my training, which is in Hindustani classical music. And I received this file from Govind called Kalyani rebottled, and it shook me up because I was, oh my god, Kalyani is complex, and I don't know what is the Hindustani equivalent. I don't know what I'll do to it.
I like seeing you singing quietly.
I don't
How are
really
you
know
doing?
anybody here, so I don't know what to say.
We all know you. Please, please come
How old
on.
are
You
you?
cannot sit quiet here.
I'm 16.
I'll say introduction.
Ratna, how
No,
old are you?
no, Govind,
Yeah.
you cannot say anything.
She's a big fan of Jim Subs, and she was like crying just before the webinar.
I'd actually seen him before. Hi.
Hey Pratna, how are you?
Hi. How are you?
So I think, Jim, if you coax her to sing something for us, she will.
Pratna, aren't you going to sing anyway?
Yeah, I am. I actually prepared. I'd actually seen him before for an award function, and that was the first time I actually saw him. I'd seen him in movies, but that was the first time I actually saw him in real life. And just his attitude and the whole speech he had prepared just blew me away. And then ever since then, I've just been like a diehard fan.
Pulkit, I'll ask you, kaun sa gana you will choose for your gym workout regime?
My gym workout. I like to be very calm when I'm working out, not full of rage, because that's a part of my meditation kind of process. Okay, so I would love to hear this track that Raghav has actually made for the film. It's quite nice. I really love it.
Raghav, there you are.
Hello. It's such a pleasure to be here. There are so many friends. We keep chatting. It's so nice to see Sona, a lot of other people. I know a few of you guys. I'm not sure of the rest, but it's a pleasure to be here and to perform. So Bijoy, Pulkit, we were all in the same building for the longest time. Bijoy and I are still in the same building, if Bijoy is not shifted as yet. We bump into each other all the time. And I've always loved, what Bijoy has created earlier also. And I've been, after his life, ki bro, mujhe tere film mein gana karna hai. Batao kaise karna hai. and we've been doing this for a long time. And luckily, I'm very happy that Kol is in the film. And I hope it turns out to be loved by everybody like Pulkit, and people work out to hearing it. Why not?
So can we hear a bit of it?
Absolutely. Are you able to hear the reverb?
Yes.
And
That's not fair, huh?
Sona, you know me and my tech. Too many years. And
I'm going to go to the garden, jump into the pool. I shall be very competitive. I will out-sing you in a
You should
bikini.
thank God that he's not sent a hologram of himself to everybody's house. कि मैं बड़ी live perform करूँगा.
Okay. So let's see. I have about 4 screens here, just to let you know of the tech that's happening behind me. So my eyes will be open.
Enough.
Next time I have a launch, I'm coming to your place. I shall not bother doing any work.
100%. Sona, you too shouldn't be saying you have another tech geek, our guru of all.
Tech geek is not with me, na? We are not hand in hand threesome, roaming around.
अभी भाग रहा तुझसे वो insane राम.
अभी भी भाग रहा है. वो मुंबई में है. I am fortunately out.
I want to get Harsh in here. So happy to see you today. Glad that the recovery is on track. But how are you enjoying the music of Tesh?
I've always been a big fan of Bijoy sir's style of edit and music, specifically, apart from everything else. Since his Shaitan had released, I think it had a huge impact on all of my friends and our whole group as a film and as a style that he has in his music. So मैं कल परसों सर को मैसेज कर रहा था और पूछ रहा था सर आप like all this music, all these people, so many talented people right now on this call. I don't know how they all gravitate towards Bijoy sir, or he pulls them. I don't know how he manages to do this, but it's so nice. And I want to thank each one of you to do this with Bijoy sir, because at the end of the day, it makes his film, special. So thank you, all of you.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Arman and Prashant, I want to get both of you in. You've created a very special song, so why not you play that for all of us?
But before that, I want to say Arman, he's also acting in the film. So he's the only one who's acting and singing.
That's why the kid.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm sorry, but this is just for old time's sake, guys. I'm gonna say one thing, and this is to all of you, okay? Okay,
Cheers to Arman for rendering this track the very last minute, and again I'm blessed to be part of an amazing ensemble of artists. Usually, back when I was starting out my music career, I always had this fascination that a film should have a soundtrack like in the West, where you have almost around 10, 12 artists, and it's so well curated and you listen to it. I always wondered who will do it, how will it happen? And every film, I get my name attached along with these amazing musicians. Some are a recurring theme, some are new, some are on, off. But kudos to Bijoy for bringing such amazing artists together. So what?
I just want to interject that one bit. I want to say that right from my first film, the reason I was able to work with so many different musicians, the whole trajectory started only and only because of Prashant. Prashant was the original composer for Shaitan. He was supposed to do the entire film. He came and told me that we should be working with different musicians and collating a different kind of album for this, and not just me composing completely. It was his idea which set me off, and I've not stopped since then. So it's thanks to Prashant that I get to work with so many different musicians in one film.
Super. Also, welcome Pav Dharia. He's just joined us. Thank you so much.
Hi, for the third time.
Australia.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
I've been watching everyone using the wrong link, so my apologies.
Oh, okay. You were on the audience link.
I was just watching everyone, and I was talking as well, but I realized afterwards that I'm actually not a part of it.
Good, you're finally home.
Finally home.
So this track originally is a full-length track. What you'll be hearing right now is a reprise version of it. The idea that I bounced off Bijoy saying that why not we try and alternate version for this, a much more milder version of the original track created once the track is out, which people should be able to hear by now. So this is a complete contrast. So I'd already done a very mellow version of it, and then, as all the musicians in the house will agree, Bijoy will have one genius idea coming out of nowhere and make our lives like really tough and with very limited amount of time to deliver. So luckily we had a brilliant poet and actor and singer, if I may call, or rapper I may call. Arman did a great job. He sent a demo to Bijoy, and Bijoy sent over and said, "Tu sun ke bata ye kaisa hai, tu just tell if you like it, should we use it?" And when I heard it, it just blew my head off. So I got it like what Bijoy was trying to achieve, and we just kept the same kind of rendition style, the same kind of flow of things that Arman conceived when he heard the track. So Arman is going to play this song and rap in his brilliantly amazing and different music studio, which is hopefully inside a car. By the way, as history has it, this song was just completed yesterday, a few hours before the before the delivery time. So,
wow, Bijoy sir, you do it with everyone.
Shutter बंद हो रहा है.
बिजॉय सर ये क्या सीन है?
सर मुझे लगा सिर्फ एक्टर्स के साथ
ऐसा है. ये कैसे होता है?
So that's the beauty of working with him. Yeah.
You know, I was going to mention earlier that you said this about composers, but he's the same with his actors also. Suddenly on set, he has this weird idea.
Yep.
And then you go with the flow, because that's Bijoy Nambiar for you.
No, it's really crazy. So, see, I think so that's why we have such a varied ensemble. I think so no, maybe this is a boasting statement, but I think so no filmmaker has ever collaborated with so many artists in a span of just 4 to 5 films, and both for the score and for the song. So that's like a genius move.
Absolutely.
Kriti, Sanjeeva, you guys have been very quiet.
No, आप बोलो.
नहीं, आप बोलो, शुरू करो.
हो जाता है ना. अच्छा मैं
नहीं, ठीक है, मैं शुरू करूंगी. Stuti, it's my first film, so I'm too thrilled. Like मैं बोल के थक गई हूँ अब कि यार मेरी पहली फिल्म है, मैं बहुत ज्यादा excited हूँ, बिजॉय नामदेव के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है, but genuinely I'm super thrilled, and after I think hearing the response of the trailer, I'm extremely thrilled as well. Now today I'm listening to the music properly, so all the more excited. And I think when Bijoy Nambiar is making a film, audience expects a good cinema, but I think it has more to do with his music also. They expect great music because I feel his music has character. मतलब मैंने अभी जो गाने सुने, मैं पिक्चराइज कर सकती हूँ कि ये गाना इस पर है, ये गाना उस पर है, because it has so much character. His music has so much character. So yeah, I'm extremely thrilled and I'm honored to be a part of this project. But आज आपको सारे सवाल ना हर्षवर्धन से पूछने चाहिए because he's been missing because of his health.
Yes. Kriti, you were saying something?
Arey, I was saying I'm not quiet. I'm not the quiet one. You don't even have to ask me a question. I have all the answers always. No, but having said that, I'm very thrilled. I mean, there are multiple reasons to be excited about this entire album, but I think the most fascinating thing is that everyone belongs to such different schools of music, and the kind of music they compose is so different from one another. But when we're all sitting here and we're listening to it, it's feeling like it's one movie, and they're all उसी धुन में हैं और उसी रिदम में हैं, लेकिन सब लोग अपनी इतनी exclusivity लेकर आ रहे हैं, अपनी अदाएं लेकर आ रहे हैं. And I remember when we were shooting the film, Bijoy made us listen to multiple songs, so many different songs, and I know that only a few can make it to the album, but Bijoy knows which song I'm missing, and I wish I was a part of this too, but I know that it'll be a part of some other project that Bijoy does, where probably that movie will do more justice to that song. Maybe he thinks it'll fit elsewhere, but that way I think it's the first time that, not the first time maybe, but it feels really good to be a part of a film where you can just trust everyone associated with it so blindly without second guessing anything, and they make you feel more confident about yourself. And I'm so glad that I'm a part of this today. I mean, I've always seen this, and I've always wanted to be a part of it, and I'm living the dream, so no complaints there.
Absolutely. I want to add something here. मैं बिजॉय सर को काफी फोन कर बीच में क्वारंटीन के अपने लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे आई यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम अप कि सर क्या हो रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है, हाउ इज इट गोइंग. एंड जब फिल्म वाज अनाउंस कि वो जी पे आ रही है, तो आई कॉल्ड हिम अप. मैंने कहा सर हो गया रेडी सर, कुछ तो दिखा दो. देन ही सेड कि थोड़ा सा रफ एडिट है, अगर आपको थोड़ा देखना है तो आप. मैंने कहा सर बिना म्यूजिक के मुझे कुछ नहीं देखना है इसमें. और फिर मैंने फोन रखा. मुझे लगा कि कहीं उनको ऐसा बुरा ना लगा हो कि मैं सिर्फ म्यूजिक ही देखना चाहता हूँ फिल्म में. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, फॉर मी इन हिज फिल्म, लाइक संजीदा सेड, his music stands out so much. And Prashant sir, you know, when Bijoy sir mentions about you, he writes my man Prashant. So we all are so proud of all of you, and thank you so much for making the film what it is.
Awesome. Thanks, Harsh.
I think it takes a lot of it takes a lot for anybody, like what Bijoy said before, that Prashant sir came up to him and said, we should get more people and more composers. I think it takes a lot. It takes a lot of security to feel very secure in your art, to understand that लोग और आएंगे तो उससे आपका काम छोटा नहीं होगा और उससे आपका काम कम appreciate नहीं होगा. आप एक दूसरे की strength बन के इतना आगे पहुंच सकते हो. And I think music is that one language, as cliched as it sounds, music is that one language that everyone speaks. आप किसी भी तरीके का गाना सुनो, अगर आपको lyrics ना भी समझ में आए, वो धुन आपसे बात करती है. And that's exactly what we see happening here, and honestly that's exactly what Bijoy has done in the film as well, where he's made sure that all the worlds come together and in harmony and so beautifully.
Absolutely. We're having so much fun. It's just that we have paucity of time. I wish we could continue. We could hear more music. We could continue this chat. But I'm going to take this one question. We're getting so many questions from our live feed. This is Shinal, and she wants to know what is the party song in the trailer. Please sing and tell us about it. Looks so much fun.
Oh, can I? I was actually going to talk about that song.
Yes,
can I
yes.
Start on that. Sorry, Bijoy, can I take this for 1 second?
Yes.
So, this is probably the first ever narration, because it was Bijoy. I was like, yaar, Bijoy, you're narrating me the film, but can you please play the tracks along? What kind of tracks are you going to involve in the film, and what kind of background is going to be there? And Pav's song was one of the songs which he already had in mind. This is one of the songs and that song is one of my most favorite songs. It's always there in my playlist. मैं loop पे 500 बारी चलाता हूँ पूरे दिन में. And I was so thrilled about it. I said, ये picture का तो part बनने का ये गाना नहीं जाने दे सकता मैं. And
by the way, do you know that Pav was supposed to come and feature in the song? He was supposed to come and shoot with us for the song. But
Pav, yeah, why did this not happen?
I'm guessing it's got to do with Corona, but something or the other would have happened. I would have been too, because the schedule wouldn't have worked with me. So,
well, that's
but I definitely wanted to be a part of it. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm actually running stupidly late, so I'm gonna show you guys a song. Some of you may have heard it, some of you haven't, but the ones that haven't, enjoy the surprise. The ones that have, enjoy me zooming with you while I show you what the song is, I guess. So you guys all ready?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to just play it on my speakers and hopefully the mic should pick it up. If it doesn't, then it's not going
anywhere. Then I'll play it from my playlist. Don't worry.
Okay, do it. All right, I think that should be enough.
Yes.
Jim was trying to remember all his steps.
Yeah.
Jim, I want to ask you, which will be your preferred choice? You're going to watch it as a film or a web series?
Well, I think I can imagine it as a film a lot easier than as a web series, because that's how it was intended, and that's. I'll probably watch the film first, but actually, I'm secretly more excited for the web series because
you don't know. Expect.
Yeah, I don't know how he'll have changed around with timelines, and I think he can have had I imagine he might have had a bit more fun with non-linear representation. So let's see. Also, I think like even though everyone is trying to promote it as this action adventure, slick, fast-paced, boom, boom, bang, bang kind of movie, I actually think it's a lot slower and it's more of a character study. So I personally am looking forward to a longer version where I could spend more time with each individual character.
It's so amazing we could manage to put this together in spite of the distance and everything that all of us are going through this year. But final word to you, Bijoy.
I feel end of a film or web series also, I feel blessed that I'm able to work with such talented, gifted musicians. For me, I always think musicians are just way too gifted, and the fact that they share this gift of theirs with me, and it just helps me enhance my vision for my film, and I'm always just thankful for that. So thank you to each one of these musicians, lyricists, singers who collaborated on this album, and thank you so much. I hope the film and the series does justice to your music. That's all. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bijoy, Jim, Kriti.
Thank you, Bijoy.
Govind, Sanjida, Bakshi, Prashant, Raghav,
Thank you.
Pulkit, Arman, and Pratna. Thank you so much.